He just fell to his death.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Oh my god.
That's fucking hilarious.
What did we just see?
He just. Let's make our way back up there.
So I'm not gonna lose to a mage. Yeah.
Did he die?
Yes, he's dead.
He really jumped into the hole.
I hear you fighting birds.
Yep.
Did you die again?
Yep.
Bro, these are just birds.
Yep.
Oh, those birds are annoying as fuck though. Bro, they're just birds.
They are
Bro,
just
they're
birds.
just
Come on. Birds.
Bro, they're just birds.
I don't see what the big deal is, guys. Just a couple birds. It's like throw a rock or something at them.
Yeah, we're just gonna fuck with the birds.
Just run past them.
They're really
They're
hard
just-
to just run past.
They're just birds, guys. Come on.
They're just birds.
Just birds. Oh, look at that. Not a scratch on me.
Because they're all on us.
They're just birds, boys.
They're just birds. I thought you meant like right now, all at the same time. All together now.
If you guys want woo-woo, we could do that.
You want to get around the campfire together?
Gather around the campfire and sing our campfire song.
It's on.
Our CAMPFIRESONG song. And if you don't think that we can sing it faster, then you're wrong. It'll help if you just sing along.
Bong, bong.
CAMPFIRESONG song. CAMPFIRESONG song. Patrick. Squidward. Good. It'll help.
If you just sing along. See, ignoring this small village, town, and buildings, I'm going straight to where the heat is at. Oh, there I go.
It's okay. We both have to die.
So as I travel down this field, I'm going to, of course, hit the local village first to gather intel, as a great adventurer should. Oh wait, the map is here. Yeah, we should have gone here.
Oh, Squire,
I mean-
let me view your wares.
My lord, where's the next tower, my lord? Oh, there's a big old bridge here. Oh, if I know one thing. Bridges connect you from one piece of land to the other. So therefore...
I really hope that still is true.
if it did not connect, that would be a cliff action.
Don't kill a turtle.
Oh, ooh, is this boss room? No, this is ladder. Okay,
This is cool though.
Pretty neat. It's pretty neat. Wait a minute. Whoa, 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 whoa. Go back down.
What?
We can
Huh?
enter the waterfall.
Just an item. Ah.
Yeah, never mind. Let's go up.
Just-
Alright, let me really beef up for this one enemy.
Let's do it. This guy is totally going down this time. Dude, he is about to get hit with everything we got right now. Hold
Alright.
on. Let's do this. Let's.
Alright, I'm ready.
Yeah. This is what you messed with. This is what you found this upon yourself. Oh. No more meme. No more meme. Now you make me use my brain. How dare you make me use my brain?
You're a true my name, presuming you're
Hey,
interested.
Tops.
Oh, study sorcery. Yeah, fuck yeah, dude.
Bro, I already got these moves.
Yeah, me too. Wow.
Get some better root.
Get some better moves. What could possibly spawn here? Ghost pirates?
No. Yep.
Oh no!
Little imps.
Don't underestimate.
Oh, I don't like this area.
Oh,
I don't
god!
like
Oh
this
god! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god!
How about let's leave?
Hey, I got their pants.
No, what the heck? This game just be giving things away. So look, it's just like a bunch of drops or left or straight.
Straight has an item, so it's probably a bait.
I like the way you think. No.
I literally said it too.
Oh, I didn't need to use that. Needs like 2-3 episodes. I wasn't as excited.
Oh!
Kind of gross.
Oh!
Kill him before he lays eggs.
Oh! No, I don't like this floor anymore.
What the fuck is that up there? Let's go fight it. Aw.
I like your
Oh, I
mindset.
think.
Ozzy.
Is that what just happened? Ozzy?
I just walked slightly to the right. Is everything okay?
I don't know. I don't know how Ozzy died.
That thing shot fire at me.
Oh shoot.
You didn't see that?
See what?
Oh.
Oh, hey, look. It's like a building over there. It's pretty neat.
That's why,
Alright, so wait, where's Paul? Wait. Do we leave? Do we go through it? What's the move here?
yeah.
I don't even know what you guys are complaining about. I don't even... Like, nothing's going on. It's just a bird, probably.
Are you for real? Nothing's happening to you guys?
Dude, I'm literally over here. Where are you guys at?
Are you being sarcastic right now? You weren't getting shot at by that big motherfucker.
Oh, it got me again. I don't know how my thing died.
I guess I'll see what's around the area here.
You don't see this big bitch right here?
It's like a waterfall over here, yeah.
I hate this man. I hate this man.
He's got wings.
Nice.
He's got nothing.
Thank you.
I got his pants.
I got his weapon. I'm kind of crazy about this.
I got his pants.
We got this.
Let's wait for Ozzy.
Oh, true.
Oh, sorry, I was ordering food. Let's do this. What are we
Alright.
fighting?
He ain't even all that. Alright.
Oh, I hate it. I hate it already.
Whoa,
I hate it
whoa, whoa,
I hate it
whoa.
already.
This.
Bro, I hate it already.
Have you met Nate?
Whoa, whoa, have you met?
Hey, little bad.
You guys are save an asteroid tomorrow, you know?
Oh, we're actually fucking them up.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, get a little ambiance in here.
Intruder.
Dude, mongrel, what the
goes
heck? What do you
crazy,
mean?
Oh.
Oh no.
Big
Punish.
Shinizuga.
Sneezuga!
The great Shinizuga.
Oh god, it's Sneezuga!
What's the truth?
They said 8 kilometers and actually meant 8 centimeters.